Struggling to keep track of your team's work hours, project timelines, and productivity? You are not alone. Many freelancers, small businesses, and remote teams face the same challenge. Hours get lost, deadlines get stretched, and productivity often takes a hit. This is where Desklog steps in to simplify the chaos. Desklog is a powerful time tracking software designed to help you stay organized, improve efficiency, and ensure every work hour counts. With its automation and detailed reporting, Desklog transforms the way teams and individuals manage time, projects, and client billing. One of the biggest strengths of Desklog is its automated time tracking. Instead of manually logging work hours, it records active time, idle periods, and task-specific activity in real time. This gives you a clear picture of how the day is spent without distractions or missing details. For remote teams, this feature alone can make a massive difference in accountability. Project tracking is another highlight. With Desklog, you can assign tasks, monitor progress, and view project status at any point. This ensures projects are delivered on time and bottlenecks are addressed early. The detailed insights also allow you to refine workflows and achieve smoother execution. Managing payroll and billing becomes simple too. Desklog includes project billing with options such as flat rate billing, hourly billing, or user-based hourly billing. This means you can send accurate invoices to clients without confusion or disputes. For managers, automated timesheets provide weekly or monthly reports, making it easy to evaluate employee performance and team efficiency. These reports are also useful for motivating workers by showing their progress clearly. And if you want an additional layer of accountability, the optional screenshot feature can capture activity during work hours, giving you complete visibility. The best part about Desklog on AppSumo is that you do not need to worry about recurring subscription costs. With this lifetime deal, you pay once and enjoy continuous access to all the business plan updates in the future. You can even stack up to 3 codes for more flexibility. Plus, you have a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. If you want to maximize productivity, manage projects with precision, and keep billing accurate, Desklog is a smart investment. Grab lifetime access today on AppSumo and give your workday the structure it deserves.